best time of the year to replace your roof would be either after June or in the fall. Midsummer's not really a great time to put your roof on. The heat can make the shingles soft and pliable, so as the guys are working on them, sometimes they can get, some of the granules can come off of there. You also, right away in the spring, you can do your roof and then a storm can come through and ruin your new shingles. So I recommend for most people just kind of wait till storm season is over and then you can start scheduling your roofing project. Doing them midwinter is just not a good idea. You have to shovel the snow off and the shingles are brittle and it's just not something that should really be done.